Here we are. These are our new friends. There's about 10,000 of them. Hound bees. Two are in the car. I hope they find their way back. And this is close as Mother's getting to them. Behind a door.
Well, that's why we're putting them in the house. It's 10,000. Yeah, you want to pet them?
Okay.
You're welcome.
So there's so many things here. Just as an aside, my Apple phone will not work behind this veil. Face recognition definitely doesn't work that way. The other thing is, of course, you can't use your teeth for anything you'd want to, like grab the end of your glove and kind of yank it on. So we're going to try to videotape this. I'm not sure how well we'll do. So we've already put the, that's the inner cover. We've already put the feeder. You see the feeder there on the left. We've already put that in. Now this process is as they taught us in school, so you know
what I did with that thumbtack. Do you know what I did?
It's in my pocket.
Okay.
It's nothing we've ever done before, so hopefully they don't all just fly away. We're going to take out a couple frames, make space for them, and put those nicely on the ground. Then we have to, you got to pry that cover off.
Yep, that's why I need that hive tool.
Hive tool's in the bucket. And then, hope the bees don't come out. Okay, so that's a can in there that's filled with sugar water, so that's feeding them on their way. Oh, don't lose that tape. See the little tape on the side? Yeah, just throw it in the bucket. The tape, don't lose that when you take. So we got to do this.
Should we spray them?
You want to spray them?
I don't know.
Will that rile them up or?
No, it makes them calm.
All right, turn the other side. Give the other side a spray. Not too much. Don't drown them. They'll be all drunk.
Looks like we have a bunch of dead bees.
No! I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can get you a close up. There you go. There they are. Now he's going to pry that can out. Pull that tape out because that's where the queen is. Put the little queen in. And then...
Here, can you put the board on for me?
Yeah. You got the tape?
Yeah.
You got the can? Here.
Okay, I'm going to get the queen out. Hang on. I'll get the queen out and then we'll put the board in. Ready? Go. It's okay, let them go.
Slide it over. Slide it over. Let's get the queen out. Good, good. We don't need the can.
I don't know which side is her.
You got to take her little thing out, don't you? They are unhappy at the moment.
Oh, I need
There
that
it
little
is.
cork.
You got to get the cork out.
I didn't bring a screw.
What do you need?
I need a screw. I need something to pry this cork out. Oh, here, it'll come out.
Careful.
Okay, cork's out. Okay, so now we need,
You gotta put it on the edge of the frame, Wayne. Edge of the frame. Edge of the frame. Turn it that
but
way.
it'll be the, no, I think it's got to go this way. You want,
Okay.
well, maybe not, I don't
know
know.
what you put it on though.
Oh, I can go this way. Well, you wanted this to be,
Where's the cork you just took out? Which end?
it's in the bottom, see?
Okay. So
But
you want to take out?
You want this
Oh,
perpendicular with the
you don't
frame.
want her to suffocate.
Yes. So,
Gotcha.
so maybe,
Can you turn it the other way and hang it off the edge of the box? No. Put it back over there. You know what I mean?
I was going to hang it off. Yeah, I do know what you mean. Like this way.
I just want to go over and flap it down.
Yeah. Okay.
Good. So now you don't need this tack, right?
Yeah, give it to me.
So the queen is in that little box. We had to take out the little cork because there's a little sugar plug behind the cork. The bees will eat that little candy cork, and then the queen will be free in the hive. And of course, if you don't do that, see, she's isolated right now in her little cage.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Okay.
Now what are you going to do? Dump it, turn it over, and dump them in?
You take the board, I'll dump them in.
Okay, and yeah,
Just, it won't bite you.
carefully. Gotta go slow. I forget you gotta move slow. Just dumping them all in. Are they all in?
Nope.
Do it forward and back, kind of like. Oh, look at that! Look at them. They come out. Tip it forward now. They come out good when you do that. They're all very curious. They're all like, "What is going on? We don't understand."
I think these are dead. I don't know.
No, they're coming out. I don't know. Look at the side, see if they're moving. They're very agitated at the moment. I'm going to just stand here and videotape. And hopefully none of them will bother me. Although they're kind of all over me. And it is starting to rain. Did you get them?
No, I can't get them all out.
Yeah, hold it sideways. Give it a good tap. From the top. Well, so much for vibration.
There we go.
Oh, now they're coming.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Get the bee brush. So I'm gonna just leave this here. They'll come out. They're gonna come out eventually. Okay, put your frames in very carefully so that you don't squish any. Don't squish it. Got me.
Okay.
Frame, spacer, nice, pollen patty. Now you know what you got to do before you put the pollen patty on. You're going to move all these frames
Okay.
over so they're snug that way. Carefully not squishing bees. Here's your tool. See the bastards trying to get me?
Yep. Okay.
Okay, that's good. You want this in the back? The hole? Okay, spacer is on. Oops, he just fell. We lost one. One down. Spacer is on. Pollen patty's gonna go on. Let's be quiet for a minute and we'll see if you guys can hear this. Inner cover. Top cover. Look, they already came out their front door.
Are they coming in and out the front door?
I saw one come out. One's looking like he's going in. Is he guarding? Maybe he's going to be a guard bee. You know what? Yeah, I guess you could leave that. Are there any in there? Let's leave it there for a while. Maybe
Yeah,
they'll.
there's a few.
Maybe they'll. Yeah, just set it in front. You don't need to do that. Just set it in front. Hopefully, they don't decide they like the little box better.
No, the queen and
Oh yeah, they'll go with the queen. Are they in there?
they're in there.
Get them out of the bag. Okay, there's our little bee brush. We didn't show you the bee brush, did we? So this is. You can just gently brush them off. I don't know if you saw that. He was trying to sting my finger. So I gently brushed him aside.
Did they figure out how to go in yet?
Yes, I've seen them. Watch them. Let's keep an eye on and we'll see how they do. By the way, I don't know if an iPhone 10 is waterproof or not, but it's going to get rained on a little. See, just so you know, this is what they do. They kind of like are all over Wayne. And probably all over me, too.
That would seem to go in yet.
I did. I saw some come out, some go in. We'll see. Laying all around it.
I wonder if I should take that off.
What?
The reducer.
Yeah, get the reducer. Well, yeah.
You went in.
Well, why is it on?
It was just to kind of keep them in.
Keep them warm?
Yeah.
Oop, somebody just. Oh, you know what?
But
I think they're cleaning house already. That's the second one I saw tumble over the edge. They're cleaning the dead ones out. Oh, it's so sad. Put that in good, didn't you? Now, no sudden moves. Don't startle the little beelets. Yeah, give them a good entrance there. I think that's a good plan. They are. Look at that. They're kicking some out. See if we found the guards yet. They tell us that the guards kind of stay at the entrance, and then when they see you coming, they stare at you, and if you get too close, they attack. Don't want no stinking guard bees attacking me. Well, there you have it. Mckinstry Circle has a beehive. And probably more importantly, because well, hopefully they're not going to die, but they may be gone in a week. Look at this nice garden we made for them. This garden was like all stuck in, well, this part's not done. Don't look at that one yet. But those are our nice sitting rocks. So we can sit and watch the bees. Good job, Wayne.
Cheers.
So we redid this garden. It hasn't been done in, I don't know, 26 years that we've been here or thereabouts. So if anything, if they leave, we'll have a nice garden. So here's the other tip. He's putting a strap around the top and it goes under the blocks because if you have critters, mostly bears, we haven't seen bears, so don't think it's an issue, but they come and they'll just knock the whole thing over and, you know, have a nice little snack with the honey. So so that's supposed to make it bear proof.
I think it's really just for the wind, actually.
Well, the wind too, but bears makes a better story. Look at that, he's got one right on his hand. He hasn't like freaked out yet, so obviously it hasn't done anything to him. He's just getting to know his new landlord. So, I say landlord. When we got the bees, we put them in the car, and like we do with all our pets, we asked them if they want to live with us. And we asked the bees, and they didn't object, so here they are. And then we thought the real question was to ask the bees if we can live with them, because probably that's what it's going to be like. I hope they get out of that box. Still a few down in there. Well, the good news is I hear a lot of buzzing. The other good news is I don't see them all flying away. They still seem to be like inside. And there's less like buzzing around us and oops, more just kind of like, oh, I suppose we shouldn't be in the entrance. Yeah, let's get out of the way. Pick up our toys and let them get acclimated. Yep. Look at that, they're pushing out the dead ones. Cleaning house already. It's a good sign. We like that. Okay, well, thank you for joining us for our new hive. And hopefully we'll have a positive follow-up in the near future. Check back in a couple days, make sure they didn't kill the queen, and she's still there, and they're doing what they're supposed to do, which is build out their frames, make brood, make honey, eat nectar, pollinate our flowers. Thanks again. See you next time.